The Central Intelligence Organization CIO has reportedly been drawn into investigations following a stern warning by the Office of the President and Cabinet against the illegal use of government branded stickers, blue lights, and unregistered vehicles to evade police roadblocks and toll gates, a practice increasingly associated, critics say, with the politically connected business elites. Cyberdash Kobra questions CIO probes Shkananda Rootball subscribe or like on the bell icon. The warning comes amid mounting scrutiny of a shadowy network known as Shkananda, a shown term meaning those who eat excessively. This term refers to a group of well-connected businessmen who are accused of using their proximity to President Emmerson Mnangagwa to access government contracts, mineral rights, and public resources. At the center of these allegations is controversial tycoon Dwakwa Tagore, widely described as political analyst and civil society groups as a key financier of the ruling establishment. Tagore, whose business interests span fuel, agriculture, mining, and finance, is frequently reported to move with convoy-style security, at times allegedly bypassing toll gates and routine police checks, claims his associates have previously denied. Similar allegations have been raised against gold dealer Scott Sakupkwanya, often portrayed in the public discourse as Mnangagwa's gold runner due to his rapid rise in the mining sector and access to lucrative claims. Sakupkwanya is also said to travel with a motorcade resembling official state convoy. Tagore Sakupkwanya, property developer Porto Ngwarara, and flamboyant entrepreneur Nochivayo are frequently named as core figures within Shkananda. Critics allege that the group invokes Mnangagwa's name and authority to secure preferential treatment, exploit national resources, and shield itself from accountability, claims that the government is not formally substantiated. Speaking to journalists in Harare on Wednesday, Secretary for Presidential Affairs Tafadzo Muguti said the OPC had observed a worrying rise in the abuse of stickers labeling Office of the President and Cabinet to unlawfully pass through roadblocks and toll plazas. As the devolution office under the Office of the President and Cabinet, we have noticed that there are individuals who are abusing stickers written Office of the President and Cabinet to cross roadblocks and toll gates, Muguti said. Doma developments alipo muri Zimbabwe. Pana comment section medu zofungura imo tulipa msuru bezitko ish. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.